So I am making out of these Ikea stool a storage, so you can see the result afterwards. But now I have put some hot glue on it, and I am now going to glue on this blanket on it, so you will see it afterwards.
So one is already glued on. We let it stay until it dry a bit. And now I'm going to use this E6000 glue and glue it onto the stool. So, hi.
What you doing?
Max on storage. Oh, you're wet. You rain?
No, some sweat.
I sweat. Whoa. That was rain. How much calorie you burn?
This morning, 800.
Oh, good. So, this must stay on forever and ever. So, okay, good. All completely evenly spread. And now I'm going to put on the blanket. So we let that dry. Then I push it aside. And now I would say the other one is, yeah, you see I can't pull it off. So now what I'm going to do is to flip it over like this. And then put the rest of the material all the excess material we are going to glue onto the feet of the stool with hot glue gun, and we are going to stretch it a bit so that it becomes like a sort of container. So remember I said I'm making a storage with this, so yeah, I'm going to do it now. So after flipping the stool, I noticed I had too much of material to tuck inside. So I turned it back over, and now it's much easier to work with. So I am just going to glue, as I said, the material onto the legs of the stool, and also outside to get this nice pleat form. I am going to use the hot glue gun or my E6000 and glue it all together, and then afterwards I will show you the other process of what I'm going to do with it. Okay, so if you remember, this is going to be the bottom of the storage container. So it's the top now, but later when we turn it over, it's going to be the bottom. So okay, stay and look out for the result, and I hope you like it so far. Yeah, I wish I could take my stative and film the whole process, but I have to keep watching as to when my telephone is telling me that it's full or I have no space left. That's why I have to keep filming in sections. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to glue it on together and show you the result as well, but I will keep you informed over each step that I do.
So the next step that I did was to cut some cardboard boxes and then roll it to get a round circle, a round form to add in it to give it a little bit more stability. And then now I can glue on the excess material onto the box inside and then continue with the next process. So that's the next step I wanted to let you on in. Okay. So now it's not completely finished, but yeah, we glued on all the excess material on the cardboard inside, and this is our storage. And I have these fur mats. They are thick foam is inside and it says my happy place. I think on the other one there's also, yeah, another speech written on it, sweet home, sweet home. Yeah, so what I'm going to do is to put this down inside here. Let me take a black one. There's nothing on this one, so we're going to push this inside here, way down. Yeah, and that's it. We got everything inside. And it's stuck. And so I have some few bands that I don't want to get rid of because they are, you know, like belts for skirt, belts for dresses, and also other hair bands that I don't know where to put them at the moment. So I thought of doing a storage like this. As I said, I was inspired by Youth of Essential. She had some great creative ideas on her channel. You could go check her channel out and, you know, just look at what she creates. So her experience or her video inspired me to do something like this. So my next step is to put this on over both legs. Remember, this is our top. Yes, and I still have these silver tablecloth here, so I can either glue it on to it. Yes, I think I will glue it onto it, or I could go and spray paint the whole thing and then come back and put it on over this and then show you the rest of the result. And then on this part we are going to put the mirror. What I noticed is that the feet are a bit apart, so we can't get this on together, so I have to put the feet a little bit closer together and then I can put the whole thing over it. Outside it fit perfectly like this, but I don't want it to be like that. Yes, anyway, so hope you got inspired as well. So this is how it's going to look for the moment until actually I finish doing it. I even still have some material here as I am seeing. So if I should turn this around and then add the excess material that I have around it, that's also not a bad idea. I might give this a try. Yes. Okay, so you will see the result as always in the next part. So far, I'm here. I'm sitting on the one table, and I bought these creative aluminium paper. They're very stiff, and I just glue it on top of the table. So this is how the table is looking for the moment. Yeah, and then I might decorate them with this. I'm not yet sure. Yeah, it's like this diamond. This guy is well protected from corona. I had to vlog. I had to show you to him. Look at that. Wow, from head to toe in plastic. Wow. Well, I'm on my way to get some things for my project still. After gluing on that metal sheet of paper, it wasn't looking good. It looked so cheap, so that's why I have to go and get from the other shop another fur, a black fur. Yeah, so, and this is what I discovered on the street, and it's raining out here, and yeah, we are going to have a chill evening tonight. So my husband got beer, and when I go home I will make a nice mushroom soup. Yeah, so that's it for now. Until I reach the shop, then I show you what I'm buying. I went outside and I got this anti-slip mat and also this round table mat. it's all out of silicone. So I just cut this according to the size of the table, and this mat fit perfectly around the table, so I don't need to do nothing much after I'm finished. But then I also wanted to show you what I got from the shop. That bucket over there, I am going to use it to put in that other table. Yeah, and hopefully it will work as how I thought it should. Yeah, so I won't be rolling any more cardboard anymore because it's so unstable. Where I think the bucket is rather more stable, and then I could wrap the other excess material from the blanket in the bucket. Yeah, I think that would be better. So if it works, I will let you know, and yeah, you will see me soon after I finish everything. Okay. You can just take a picture of this. So I glued on the mat, both of the mats and the mirror, and now you know I like bling bling too, so I'm gonna add some of this on it and put the hot glue gun, and that's it. Yes, so
So, my hot glue gun stick on that. Okay, I am just putting down some dots like this, like 3 dots. And then we put on this nice diamond thing on it. I have burnt my hands so many times today. Yeah, it's when you're using these hot tools. But that's the fastest way to get your things glued on. Yeah. My husband is gluing on or pouring epoxy on the table. I did it last time, but it did not come out nicely. So I give him the chance to do it better. So that's how we did the table, so that it doesn't run out, but it's already running out, I see. Yeah, so it's better maybe if you put some paper also under there, as the carpet is going to glue when it's gone through the whole cloth. Yeah, so this is what I'll be doing, and then we are finished with this table, and then I will show you the result of the other table. So that's the bucket inside, and all the material is glued on. So remember, this is our top. I'm going to flip it over, and then we see how it looks. Wow. Well, all I need to do now is to put on this wood thing on it. Yep, that's the raw table. And then we're going to put on the cloth again here, glue it on. Yep, the rest of the fur, and then we can leave an opening here. I did it with my husband's table. We could put something in here so we can reach it instead of always taking it off. Yeah, so I will do it also as well. Okay, so let me glue gun it down and show you again. So this is the first mat, and I am going to now cut it around here and then put on my other one on it. That's now when the sun goes on the TV.